Welcome to my channel. I am Anuradha Mishra, and this is my first vlog on my channel. I would like to share on this channel only and only about the HR profession. So today is my first vlog, and I would like to start it with the topic that is strategic human resource management. So what is strategic human resource management? Before starting it, I would like to introduce some things on HR. As you all know that we are residing in an organizational world where there is an immense need to interact in an organization as a member, as employers, employees, customers and clients. So, to continue the integrity and establish the loyalty between organization and employees, there is some essential supplies which have to be provided to the employees so that they can be loyal to the organization. So, what are these essential supplies? These are like the policies, human resource policies, which could be in favor of employees and as well as in favor of organization, the supplies, goods and services which could be given through organization. So, the human resource management plays a very important and vital role in creating a healthy organization and fulfill all the needs of the employees within the organization. And HR manager, they are the backbone of the organization because they are the point to assess all the diverse issues within organization and its employees. Now I would like to narrate some more things about HR. Before 100 years back we can say, ऐसा होता था कि there were no HR management or there were no HR department specifically. उस टाइम पे होता था that if some employee get injured during work, so what they do, they just do the social welfare for the family or for that employee. That's it. Slowly, gradually, around in 1940s, the personal department had been created, and the work of that department is to recruit, select, to train, to keep records of the employees. This department is still exist, लेकिन अब उसके साथ the horizon of the activities and the tasks has been increased in the human resource management. So nowadays human resource managers have to play and have to participate as a partner in the organization to for the strategic planning, for the future planning of the organization, and it includes like gathering and interpreting the need of the organization. Nowadays human resource managers are playing very important and vital role in the organization in different ways. So the first is to gather and interpret the information regarding workforce availability and the business environment. Human resource management assumes a central role by taking participation in strategic planning. There are some points like this human resource management or the human resource department is acting as a sailor of any organization who is the source to clarify the culture of the and the environment of the organization, of any organization. And